4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 3, часть 2, страница 9, 10, 11, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 3, part number 2, page number 9, 10, 11. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 9, 9. The country code. Object pronouns. Personal subject pronouns. Personal object pronouns. Личные местоимения. Личное местоимение в именительном падеже и личные местоимения в объектном падеже. Они используются перед глаголом вместо имени. Личные местоимения в именительном падеже. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Mark has got a headache. He has got a headache. Личные местоимения в объектном падеже используются после глагола вместо имени. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Look at Mark. Look at him. У Марка головная боль. У него головная боль. Гарри любит Анну. Гарри любит ее. Посмотри на Марка, посмотри на него. Mark has got a headache. He has got a headache. Harry loves Anne. Harry loves her. Look at Mark. Look at him. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and choose the right word. Прочитай и выбери правильное слово. I don't know those boys. Who are they? The answer number 1. Я не знаю тех мальчиков. Кто они? Number 2. Tony likes music. He can play the guitar. Number 2. The answer. Тони любит музыку. Он умеет играть на гитаре. Number 3. We're going to the cinema. You can come with us. Number 3. The answer. Мы идем в кинотеатр. Ты можешь пойти с нами. Number 4. Do you know that woman? Yes, she is my teacher. Number 4. The answer. Ты знаешь ту женщину? Да, она моя учительница. Number 5. Where are mom and dad? They are late. Number 5. The answer. Где мама и папа? Они опаздывают. Number 6. I don't eat burgers. I don't like them. Number 6. The answer. Я не ем бутерброды. Я их не люблю. Number 7. Can you help me carry this, please? Number 7. The answer. Ты можешь помочь мне принести это, пожалуйста? Number 8. David is upstairs. Tell him that lunch is ready. Number 8. The answer. Дэвид наверху. Скажи ему, что обед готов. Number 9. Do we need any milk from the supermarket? Нам нужно молоко с супермаркета. Number 10. Can you give us his phone number? Number 10. The answer. Ты можешь дать нам его номер телефона? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Look, read and complete. Посмотри, прочитай и закончи. Number 1. She's got a rash. Look at her. She should put some skin cream on it. The answer. Number 1. У нее сыпь, посмотри на нее. Ей следует помазаться кремом для кожи. Number 2. Max got a headache. You should give him an aspirin. Number 2. The answer. У Марка головная боль. Тебе следует дать ему аспирин. Number 3. Bob and Bill have got a cold. We should take them to the doctors. Number 3. The answer. Боб и Билл простудились. Нам нужно отвезти их к доктору. Number 4. Anna's got a stomachache. You should give her some hot tea. Number 4. The answer. У Анны боль в желудке. Тебе следует дать ей немного горячего чая. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 10. 10. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушай и прочитай диалог. I love the countryside. It's so nice here. Is it time to go now, miss? Yes, and don't forget the country code. We must put out the fire. We mustn't drop litter. Right. We mustn't make a lot of noise. Look at that boat. Watch out. You should be careful. I am so sorry. Look at me. I've got a rash. And I've got a cold. I've got a headache. You should all go to the doctors. Aspirin? Skin cream? Cough syrup. You should all stay indoors. You shouldn't go outside. Thank you, doctor. Yes, doctor. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and say who says the sentences. Number 1. We must put out the fire. The answer, Mona. Прочитай заново диалог и скажи, кто говорит предложение. Number 1. Mona. Number 2. I've got a rash. The answer number 2, Harry. Number 3. I caught a cold. The answer, Lee. Number 3, the answer, Lee. Number 4, thank you, doctor. The answer, Emma. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn